I love food. When I heard that there was a new food place in Montego Bay, I definitely had to check it out. Today we're checking out Good Day. Let's get right into it. Okay guys, so this place does breakfast, lunch. It's like a little cafe and a restaurant in one. I went there for lunch. So it's on Market Street. If you know where Ventura is, well, let's stretch go down right beside the supermarket. It's on the tall building, but it's on the ground level. The sign says Good Day. It's in green and it's kind of at the end of that street. So guys, I went there, went up the steps and went to the door, and I almost turned back because I was like, so I'm going to this building here. Like, it's one of the side gate we closed. And I said, oh my, people them open another day and they lock already. When I look, some school kids were going inside. So shame me no say, Lord God, when if I know something good. But me go in, people. When me go in, I don't know if we go again, people. So I have to ask one lady and say, Mr. Lucky place locked. And say, no, go through this. So reach at the food place. I saw the food, chicken and all kind of things, people. Right? And then looked, and the young girl over the counter was like, you ready? I said, no, and I'm just looking to see what you have first. I got rice and peas. I don't know what kind of rice. Look different from my normal rice and peas. I got rice and peas, and I got chicken. I got two types of chicken. I got baked chicken and fried chicken, right? Got my lunch, sat down, ate it, look around for a little bit, and then I left. The people, let me just go down in a review. So when it comes to Good Day, here's what I did not like. When you went at the entrance door, there's no sign at all. I just want dark door, people. So one side of the building have Good Day upon it, nice green designer, everything, right? The door that you need to walk in, no sign of the upon the door, people. No sign of the upon the door. I almost turn back. I look and see some school pick me and go in. I turn back and go in. I think when the schoolgirl tried to open the door, it was not opening. Then she wait the girl and it opened. No, me the fret the guy the door and I say, Lord God, I'm not going to share myself, you know, because people them in they can't see me and I can't see them. When it comes to people that are coming here for the first time, they're going to have a hard time because most people go turn back. Unless somebody tell them, say, all right, go through this. So the door is dark, people. When you go inside, you're going to be confused because you're going to be like, so where do I go from here? Because you go in and that door leads to different places in the building. So the other door that you are going to walk through to get into Good Day is also dark. Like people in the go see you and you not ask themselves. If you're out there looking stupid and there's nobody there, you go turn up there until somebody else come in and are going a Good Day. We go there already, you go through the door. Because no sign of the one at the door tonight. When you finally go into Good Day now, guys, and you say, all right, well, look what they have an order. It depends on where you're going. If you're going there now, I look at sandwich you want, I want good drinks, I want coffee. Right at the front, that's the section that does it. So when me go there now, I look on the side, people, I say, all right, at least they have disappointed and everything. So I just sandwich and say, the guy said, no man, go on this up. So me have to walk again, go and run a back now, right? Walk, run a back now. I see the food and the chicken and everything. So me I look now, where the counter say, Miss, what you need? And if you're stressed, miss. So me know, normally, you look where you want a place, then you got cashier go order. When me got the cashier now, people, the cashier say, I know say your order, I know you say your order. Then, the cashier, I don't think they think about people who come here for the first time. She's like, and I say, the cashier looks like something wrong with her that did it. Or she may upset or something. Like, customer service? So she sent me back over the counter now, where you look at the food in the glass space, and she said, that they say you order, you put people in the glass space where you see food, then pick out the food first. Now, I said to the girl, can I mix the meat? The girl said, yeah man, it's just gonna cost more. All right, okay, baked chicken and fried chicken. When I went back to the cashier now, let me understand this. Normally, you order what you want and then you go over there and then pick it up. They do it backwards here. So you go the serving part first, pick out the food where you want, then you go back to the cashier. I tell the cashier when I box all of these things. Like, I did not like that. I went to the cashier and I said, "This rice and peas and fried chicken and baked chicken." The girl I go look and say, "I owe you this." That was supposed to happen. So I come like, what's happening? Because the person who was serving me, I tell me, say the meat can't mix. And when the guy come to the cashier, I say it can't mix. But I end up pay for the food and go sit down. When I burst the box, one neat little box and give with one side pan. I'm going to show you some of the clips as well. The chicken was dry. It tastes bad enough, but the chicken went dry. I did not like how they did the baked chicken, but it could have gone too. Alright? Eat my food. To all my distracted people, not remember see all drinks, I buy my food back go cash drinks again. Go back at the serving part, let me say, drinks! Over there, so cashier. So, the cashier, our face not stay good, and she not explain the things properly to people who came there for the first time. So, I don't know when I go on with her that day there. The next thing, guys, you have to know when to go there. If you go in school over, you see a pay school picnic in the people. You have to know when to go in there. Next thing, I don't get no ketchup. Probably because I was thrown off. Probably they had, can't beat them bad for the one because probably they had ketchup and they asked about. I don't get no ketchup. I got a fork. I can show you what I got in the video. I got a fork, but I don't get no ketchup or nothing. I have the dry meat, and that was it for the things that I did not like. Now I'm gonna tell you what I love about Good Day because it's both good and bad. Alright, so what I love about Good Day restaurant is place clean. I ain't even gonna lie. People in a Good Day place is clean and in there smell good. I ain't even gonna lie, give that to them. Things that I really love the decor. Something about the green. The green and all the design in there, I love that. I love that. If you walk with company or if you're a loner, like myself, one seat in the field. As I go in, you have some seats at the front where you alone can chill there, or if you want somebody come, they have a big table with enough somebody can sit down around. You have some corner, because I ate at a counter. Turn me back to the crowd, so I want a nice corner with counter. I cheer. We couldn't even come down outside people, and my friends say, go drop, but they have some nice chill spot, different section where you can sit down. You can sit down in the front, you can go in a corner, go sit down. Like, if I think this place, if you are not dating legally, you could probably get one here. Next thing I love is that you see when you're inside, nobody can stay outside and see you in there, guys. So it's like a little private place, you know. Yeah, man, one nice little chill spot. People, I can see myself there chilling. You're alone, or you come here with your group of friends or on a date, that's a nice place to sit down. It has now become one of my favorite spots because so many areas to chill. If you know I'm bungle up with the people, they can end up on one part or on this. So understand. So for the food, guys, the presentation was good. I don't eat certain vegetables, but I don't know if it's because I was hungry and that, but I ate all the vegetables. They were steamed and I really liked it. The rice never tastes too bad. But overall, I think I would give the food like 7 because we don't need some work. A little bit of work needs to be done. I like a board box. You know, them box you have to eat out tight before things start. What people would do alright. Some work needs to be done on the chicken, and I don't remember if it was a little bit salt or a little bit fresh for the rice, but something did go on. Something went on with the rice. That was basically it, guys. I want to go there to try out some more stuff. I want to test out the coffee section. I'm not a coffee person, but as they have cake and some juices that I want to try, guys. So lovely chill spot. And if I'm going to meet up with a friend, guys, I would probably meet them there. But nice like a chill spot, and I love where it is. I literally walk from, because the thing with me, guys, I'm always hunting for some good food in Montego Bay, and most times places that you buy food, guys, they always full up with people in there. Can't find out if it's sit down and it's so crowded and dirty and nasty. So Good Day, I really like that you are at the location that you're at. Apart from the few things that I did not like, wish you can work on the improve, that's good, but But that's all. I will definitely be going back to test out some more stuff that they had, especially in the cafe section. But guys, let me know if you've been to this new food spot. It's called Good Day. Let me know what your experience has been and what you think about them. And if you haven't tried it, try it out and let me know what you think about the overall experience, and also let me know if there's any other places that you recommend for me to test out. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.